Hello po mga kapwa kong API, welcome back to our channel. Pag-usapan lang natin tong na-receive ko kanina kasi kanina naka-receive ako ng notification na na-flag daw yung CoinsPH account ko. Ang sabi nila, AML verification is mandatory under BSP Circular Number 1108, Complete Identity Verification Threshold for full access. Chinek ko naman yung Coins account ko and wala namang ganitong notice. So what I did was I reached out to CoinsPH and it turns out isa siyang malaking blunder or scam. So guys, let's beware of scams. Kapag may unusual na nangyayari sa mga accounts nyo, reach out kung merong support team, yung mga apps na ginagamit nyo. Make sure na secure ang access nyo lahat and etc. Do all the works, do the research, and please do not click any links kasi most likely dun tayo madadali niyan. So again, please make sure to secure accounts. As a matter of fact, nag-release na si CoinsPH ng notice earlier. So nagbigay na sila ng security advisory. Sabi nila is we are aware of phishing emails. Ito emails ang nare-receive. Some of us receives notifications. So kapag naka-receive kayo notification or email galing kay CoinsPH, please i-check nyo muna with them to confirm its legitimacy. Huwag tayo agad-agad magkiklik ng kung ano-anong link kasi baka mamaya dun na mawala yung mga inipon nating crypto, inipon nating assets. So keep safe guys. Ayan, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe na rin po when you have the time. Again, this is your average Pinoy investor. Ciao, ciao.